Welcome to Beautyistic. Have you ever wished for a skincare product that could tackle both hydration and signs of aging in one go? Well, today we're diving into something that promises just that. The Sanar Naturals Healthy Skin Vitamin E Lotion with Aloe Vera Gel. It's a face moisturizer and hand lotion, all packed in convenient little capsules, offering a blend of aloe vera and vitamin E. Does it really live up to its claims of reducing wrinkles and dark spots? Let's find out. And while you're here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more honest beauty reviews. This lotion combines vitamin E and aloe vera, both known for their skin-loving properties. Vitamin E has long been celebrated for its ability to fight free radicals, which helps reduce fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. Aloe vera, on the other hand, is famous for its cooling and hydrating properties, making it perfect for calming dry, irritated skin. The lotion also includes a light flower fragrance, which is subtle but refreshing. Now, I've been testing these little capsules, and here's the deal. They're really convenient. The portable travel size makes them great for on-the-go use, whether you're heading out for a weekend getaway or just need a quick skin fix during your day. The texture is lightweight and absorbs fast, leaving my skin feeling smooth and moisturized without any greasy residue. Let's talk real-world testing. I've used it both as a face serum and a hand lotion. On my face, it's a great everyday moisturizer, especially when I want something that won't weigh me down under makeup. After a few days of use, my skin definitely felt smoother and more hydrated. I didn't notice an overnight miracle, but after consistent use, the fine lines around my eyes seemed to soften. On my hands, it worked wonders too. Living in a colder climate, my skin gets dry, especially around my elbows and knees. This lotion provided instant relief, leaving my skin feeling soft and looking less dry, which is always a win. However, there are a few things to consider. The scent, while pleasant, might be a bit too strong for those who prefer fragrance-free products. And as much as I love the travel-friendly packaging, I did wish the capsules were a bit larger or offered more product for the price. If you're using this daily, you might go through the capsules quickly. So here's the breakdown. Pros: fast absorbing and non-greasy. Handy travel-size capsules make it perfect for on-the-go. Hydrates and nourishes dry skin effectively. Helps improve skin texture over time. Great for sensitive areas like elbows, knees, and hands. Cons: scent might be too strong for some users. The small size of the capsules means you may need to buy more frequently. Doesn't provide instant wrinkle reduction. Results take time and consistent use. Now, is it worth the price? Considering the quality ingredients like aloe vera and vitamin E, I think it's reasonably priced. But if you're looking for a super long-term, heavy-duty anti-aging product, you might need something more potent. If you're simply looking for hydration with a touch of wrinkle smoothing, this could be a good fit. If you're searching for an alternative, you might want to check out other affordable hydrating lotions with vitamin E, or even some aloe vera-based moisturizers that might give you a larger quantity for the price. To sum up, the Sanar Naturals Healthy Skin Vitamin E Lotion is a solid, everyday moisturizer that provides decent hydration, helps soften skin, and gives you a quick skin fix. It's perfect for people with dry skin looking for something lightweight and convenient. For anyone who wants an instant miracle in a bottle, though, this might not be the magic bullet. It's more of a slow burn, long-term solution. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in trying this lotion out, check out the link in the description or comments. And if you've used this product, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear about your experiences with it. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.